What's up everyone? Jonathan back with another Proto Tech Tip. This week, we're diving into a topic that will resonate with a lot of you, prototyping. For engineers, prototyping is an essential part of product development. It involves creating preliminary versions of custom parts, panels, or enclosures. These prototypes are then tested to identify any shortcomings. Prototyping is important as it allows you to validate your design and ensure what you build aligns with your vision. By identifying and addressing potential issues early in the development cycle, you can save valuable time and resources in the long run. Imagine discovering flaws in a product that has already been manufactured in large quantities. You do not want to deal with that chaos. Prototyping also helps instill confidence in the final product, as any uncertainties or concerns can be addressed and resolved during this phase. So, what is the typical process for prototyping and custom manufacturing? Let's walk through the steps using an example. Consider you require a custom electronic enclosure for a new device you're building. The design team starts by creating a CAD model of the enclosure, detailing all the necessary dimensions, features, and materials. Once the design is finalized, it moves to the manufacturing stage. After manufacturing, the various components are then assembled and prototype is tested for fit, function, and durability. Any issues discovered during testing are addressed and the design is modified accordingly. These steps are repeated until the prototype meets all of the requirements. Now, having a precise and accurate model of your product is important, whether it's for internal use or to sell on the market. But at the same time, it's also key to be quick with the prototyping process. The faster you can prototype, the sooner you can launch your final product. An accelerated timeline helps you stay ahead of the competition and allows you to capitalize on market opportunities more effectively. On that note, I want to share some tips on how you can speed up this process. First up, look to choose the right materials. Consider the properties of various materials for strength, weight, corrosion resistance, and more, and see which aligns best with your project requirements. Carefully evaluating these factors early on will ensure you won't have to experiment with different materials, saving you from unnecessary costs and delays. Another thing to remember is to check for proper measurements during the design phase. You want your custom parts, panels, or enclosures to fit perfectly in your overall product. Getting the dimensions and alignments right from the start can lead to fewer revisions. Just like with any custom manufacturing, you need to keep manufacturing constraints in mind while working on your design. Using CAD software like Protocase Designer can be super helpful. Our design software has live manufacturability checks and is directly connected to our custom manufacturing. This way, you can cut out guesswork and have confidence your design can actually be made. Speaking of designing, do not discount the importance of a quick sketch. Before you can start the design process, it's highly recommended to draw your ideas on paper. This sketch can make sure you have properly mapped out your concept. Having this sketch close by can help you stay aligned with your initial vision throughout the project. Another thing you might want to consider is utilizing CNC machining. One of the significant advantages of CNC machining is its ability to produce highly accurate and complex parts with tight tolerances. This precision can help you ensure your prototype matches the desired result faster. Remember, it's also key to document the different prototypes you create. Maintain details of your design and specifications at each stage and note down all the modifications you make. Last, but not least by any means, you can prototype quicker by working with a manufacturer that has extensive experience in fast sheet metal prototyping. On that note, at Protocase and Protospace MFG, we offer lead times of just 2 to 3 days for fully finished custom parts, panels, and enclosures. Working with us means you can get revisions completed quicker, which in turn will lead to your ideas hitting the market faster. You can get in touch with an account manager to learn more about our services and how we can help you achieve your project goals. If you have a design for prototype ready, we will aim to get you a quote within 1 business day. Check out the link for our request a quote form in the description box of this video. And that wraps up this week's Proto Tech Tip. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Until next time, take care.